Hi, in the previous video you have learned how to create accounts and groups. In this video you will learn how to add accounts to a group, or you can also say how to add a group label to accounts. On the chart of accounts, select the bank account. Press the red button Groups. From the drop-down list, select the group Banks and press Apply. You have added the group label Banks to the bank account. Now go to the transactions. You can now find the bank account under Assets and the new group Banks. This gives you the ability to quickly organize and adjust your accounts to information that is relevant to you, giving you easy access to the balance values of different categories of accounts that matter to your business. Thank you very much for watching.